that motherfucker in. Be careful. That mushroom right there.
He a nice ass. I'll put my pole over here. Hell, this shit.
Yes, sir. Wife for number 2. Everybody get lucky twice.
Lucky is crazy.
Melvin couldn't do it. He get lucky once.
Y'all, Troy, Sherry, set the hook family fishing. Yes, sir.
Let me put my shirt
Look at that. Look at that. Wife got number 2.
He's
All right.
pretty.
All right. She ain't gonna take it off though.
At all. So come get this.
Who she think she is, man?
Hey, I do this. I don't know.
Who she think she is? Hey. Hey, calm it down.
Hey.
Good stuff, baby.
All right, you know the drill.
You see how she do me, man? You see how she do me, man? You see this? Yeah, hold it up. Damn! Got him good, too.
big blue.
Ooh, Peter, we big. That's a lucky pole there.
Hey, you ain't a lucky fish. His ass late.
Shit! That blue, that look like a big channel.
Hey, it look like a blue at first. Hey, we going home. Fuck this. We ain't come out here watch her.
Shit, why she keep getting bigger? Each one.
Yep.
Each one.
Hey.
Hey.
Who's that? Look at me. It's me. That addict.
Look at that.
Got me running down there with probably her pole all along. Getting a little taps.
You know, she learning from the best, man.
This guy.
She learned from best, you know.
Yeah, Troy.
Hey, Troy taught me, motherfucker. You fish with me more than you fish with him.
Open your mouth. Open his mouth.
Yeah, I knew I shouldn't let you use my blue ones.
Oh, yeah?
My twins don't never let me down. One time I want to use them new motherfuckers, man.
As you get. Gotta be loyal.
Oh, he swallowed this.
Oh yeah, no, that hook gone. At least you got the noodle.
Yeah, he swallowed that. Yeah, it's way down there. He wasn't getting off.
You see it, man. She got 4. She lucky.
Lucky. Lucky on 4.
Hey, we going for size, not quantity.
Oh.
I'm going for a monster today.
Oh.
Okay, let me make that straight now. All right, I'm going for a monster. You get as many as you want to get.
Sure.
You flatheads, huh? Oh, him talking trash. Lucky Melvin ain't here.
Hey, he on Melvin Hills.
What?
Okay.
Okay, you can just put a little note on there.
All right, y'all, we gonna get rebaited, get it casted back out. You see, we catching fish. Try how many bluegill you catch?
About 4.
About 4. Got 4 in the bucket.
4 for some flatheads later on tonight.
Yeah. I'm telling you, we going for a monster. We trying to catch some monsters out here. Okay, let me go, cause I got rebaited.
Yeah. You gotta fix this. I don't know.
Okay.
Somebody get the bell off.
Yeah, Kitty, get the net.
No worries. I've got this.
Break that branch. Yeah, break that branch. Just shaking.
Oh, he done went. Look, he over there on the, see him? He right there, you see him?
Step out that way.
Oh, I see.
Step out that way here.
Yeah, he in there. He in the tree.
He in the tree?
Just about.
You see him over there?
I'm trying to get this camera off.
Can you see it on camera?
No.
He is hooked on the damn,
Hey.
see it?
Oh, I
And I think it's because my thing is in the, see, it's in the tree.
Hit the button. Hit the button.
Oh, Kitty, you getting a bite?
That was getting a bite. So what? I ain't touch it.
Babe, get this bell off of this.
Oh,
Yes, watch the
I'm all
mud. Watch the
professional.
mud.
Babe, I'm trying to get out the tree. You see this stuff right there? I ain't gonna be able to get the fish.
I ain't young no more. I can't get up there. The line across the tree. This is in the tree. It still ain't pop loose?
Yeah.
I know.
Hold this. It's recording.
I gotta get my husband to get him now.
Damn, I should have brought those boots.
Did you get the bite now?
I am.
Yep. Hold on.
And it's around that little ass piece of land. Oh, it's barely in his mouth too. It's barely in his mouth too.
Maybe he'll swim away and then.
He gonna stay there because he wants to get it out of his mouth.
They stop biting you?
So it's in the tree, it's down in the crevice of that tree.
I knew as soon as I get stuck in the tree, a motherfucker want to bite. That's a little one too. Eating size.
If I can get his ass out, I can reel it up there, but I can't get his ass out.
I thought it was just over the tree. You would think that it would just. Ooh.
Oh, you broke it. There you go. Real.
Now what is on? Yeah, I'm gonna have to let him go swim off in a bit.
Where you at now?
It didn't come off.
She's
the-
still on the branch.
It's on
It just
the
broke.
bottom branch right there.
Bottom branch?
You gotta reel it because I let loosen it up so we can.
It's around both parts. It's on the back side. Now I got it off of that one.
Under it like.
No, it's over the top of that back part.
They don't keep fall in that water.
There we
My
go.
husband. Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
Good job. I'm on vacation. Why did you get off right there? Gotta get fucked up with. 'Cause he just hooked in the lip.
All of that, and you got to keep your fish? That's what's up.
Right.
Thank you. Oh, my first fish. I don't feel
Oh, he wasn't gonna know.
bad now.
He took on two of them hooks.
Was he?
Yeah, he wasn't
I
gonna
know.
know.
Oh, when I looked at him over there, I was gonna take my shoes off and walk out there.
Hey.
Look
Ah.
Look at these women.
All right, Bubba, they showing out on.
Hey.
I'll keep the chocolate.
Hey, you know what it is? We had to put Troy on the grill, man. Because I would have fucked that up instantly.
Did y'all have something else y'all want to stick on here, Keita?
Oh, we just brought more hot dogs. It is a beautiful day. Hold on. There you go. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, she got another one. Go. 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 She doubled up. What up, y'all? She done doubled up. That's crazy. Hey, why she manifest that shit though? She's like, you want to see me catch a catfish?
I did say that, didn't I?
Fishing with a bluegill line.
Whole time, caught 2.
All right, that's crazy. Hey, she fucking catfish up today.
Both I baited, both I casted out.
Yep.
You learn pretty good.
Yep. Now take the motherfucking hook out. Do that.
I'm not doing that. No. You know the drill. Hop to it.
You learn pretty good from professionals.
Shit.
Let me get this little bitty thing
Y'all
out
see
before
that?
it be gone and accidentally do catch a catfish.
Y'all see that? She done doubled up on her own line.
I bet you I'm getting on this board. I ain't getting skunked.
This is gonna be your second one, ain't it?
Third.
Third? Hey.
Your wife gonna whoop your ass and talk cook tonight. I did all the work.
Hit him with a go clean my fish. I'm gonna treasure these moments. I ain't never gonna have a day this good again.
Oh, it'll come back to you again.
Hey. Got hot out here.
I got one.
I told you, I thought I heard that bell.
You heard what I said, right? You gonna get home today. Kitty gonna tell your ass, go in there and start cooking. I did all the work today.
Well, yeah, get in there, clean my fish.
Get through that. Take the trash out and wash the dishes too, please.
Yeah. Appreciate you. You gotta give me one of them shirts with my face on it. I fish or something now.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit, you just create a monster. Your ass is in trouble.
It's gonna be so quiet the next fishing trip. I'm gonna be like,
She gonna look at you. You want me to try? At least I know how to get there.
stop. No, what's gonna happen is it's gonna be back to days like normal. And Sal gonna be like, hey, what happened to all that smack you was talking?
Look, he's still fucking with it.
Ooh, this one had heat levels to the back.
How much is that one?
Ooh, I'm mad I ain't get that.
How much is that one?
109.
You got it?
Look like he got it. It look like it and it don't look like it. Because I don't see the pole bent over. Unless he's swimming towards him. When he get close, he's gonna pop it. I believe he got it now. See how it's bending over?
Yeah,
Need a net?
they're little. They all little.
Me? Yeah, he need it.
Bitch.
Woo!
Yeah, you wasn't going nowhere. I ain't gonna lie.
Them nice.
I ain't gonna lie to you, boss.
Yeah.
A big blue.
He wasn't gonna go nowhere.
He gave you hell, ain't it?
Yeah, these motherfucking leases everywhere on him.
Yeah, it's that time of year. But ain't gonna do no damage to the leaf.
That's how we do it. It's only been what?
Like
Several hours.
like 5
Finally
hours.
on the board.
No worries.
Finally on the board, you fuck ass fish.
Hey, babe, you know what they say. You know, it's not called catching. It's called fishing.
You're right. You're right. A wise man told you that.
I don't know. Some
That
guy,
wise man.
some guy I liked.
Can you give me pliers, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the way to get the pliers. More action.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang. Her pole in the way. I tried, but then I'm gonna be in the bushes.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I think I went out before you. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. There you go, there you go.
The lady's killing it today. Let's click on some killing. Let's see what.
Got him. Hey.
How it feel?
Good.
Feel great?
Real good. Might be my dad. Oh, he stopped.
Walk all the way. There you go.
No, that's not little. We call that skillet size.
Nice little two fillet. That's a sandwich.
How many you got now, babe?
It's got to be 7, right?
I think it's 8 for you.
Is it 8? I think it's 8.
I think it's 8 for you.
Hey, that ain't no sandwich, but it's a sandwich. Shit, put him in the back of the
Put right in the
skillet.
skillet.
Put him way in the back of the skillet.
Right.
He the perfect one to put between these buns we got on the table.
Get the grease. Get the grease.
This nuggets right here.
Grease. He going in the cornmeal
Look,
soup.
look, there you go.
Oh, would you look at that?
He going in the cornmeal soup.
Over here. Ain't gonna be too many more misses for my ass now. I need the neck.
Oh, look at him in there splashing.
Nah, you need grease. How it feel?
We need a net for down here and a net for up there, huh?
I want to
We
break
got
that.
to. We got to.
I want to break that line.
Yeah, you got him?
I don't want to.
No, I think he still needs
the
a
hook.
net. I think he still needs it.
Pull it towards me.
All right, now.
Ain't gonna be too many more misses. That's not a regular for me. Ain't gonna happen.
Now, you ain't got nothing on this one yet?
Not yet. I ain't broken in yet. Built to go fishing. On the board again.
Hey, we got some motherfuckers back to back.
Sal, you want to leave one of these nets down here?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Sherry, you want to leave it? Yeah. We don't do this again. What dance, babe?
You missed it. If you ain't catch it, you ain't catch it. You got it. Check, I set the hook.
Oh, I'm sorry, Gator. I'm sorry. Where are you? Damn.
You recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I got something to say before you shut that thing off.
All right.
Man, stop. I figure out why your wife catching all the damn fish. You don't see it? My wife got a shirt, I got a shirt, you got a shirt. Why you buy her a damn shirt?
Right.
Yeah, you might be on to something.
Y'all look good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we look good in the shirt, but hell, we don't look good catching.
Hey, I caught
Anime
two.
is life, you know.
She got about 8. She caught about 8 off. You know what, like an alligator?
No worries, babe. I'm not recording for any reason in particular. All right, babe, you got this.
Gravity got me too. Right there. It's cool. Y'all ain't see that shit though. But it was fucking hilarious. I laughed. Y'all ain't see that shit. I definitely bust my ass and slid down the bank like a motherfucking fat ass alligator.
Alligator is crazy.
Whole mudslide, I'm telling you. What she say?
Nothing.
What she say? She over there talking shit. That's crazy.
They all take it together.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Look at that. Jingle bell.
Yeah.
Got it? You got it?
Dang.
Dog, I told you to hold your mouth right.
You know why?
Why?
Because the thing wasn't even set back.
What you mean? Click?
It wasn't click. And wasn't you put it in there, it wasn't click. I poured in the whole line went.
Rewind the tape.
It's his fault. It was a good one too.
Rewind that tape. Came back and redeemed himself. You set the hook this time.
Seemed like this was dragging.
Stuck on something. Somebody stuck on that one. Somebody ran it in the wood.
You get him in?
He stuck on that
That
tree out there.
same damn thing he was stuck on before.
That tree?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Got him. Come loose. Got him a loose. Stuck in the tree.
All right, put you in that, baby.
Yeah, the drag needs to be set. Can't set it now. You have to stop running and hit that orange thing.
Oh, she got him coming in.
Is my pole in the way again?
I told you it was them little worms. They like them motherfuckers.
How you feel?
I feel good. Oh yeah. I take this shit off after my shit.
That's the hook fish.
I set that hook.
Hook to go.
set the hook.
Set the hook fish and we back. I don't even know my own name.
Set the hook family fishing.
Set the hook family fish and we got another one. The wife has got one on there. She say heavy.
Probably just fighting. I think he ain't got this. He feel like he is though.
I'm about to say that Bellin say he look he a little heavy.
I found out your secret, Keita. You was hiding that from me, wasn't you?
Yeah, you gonna have me.
Oh, that's a nice one there. That's a nice size. Yeah. How many is that? 4?
4, I think.
4.
Nice shot. Hook. Set that hook. There you go. Fight it.
There.
Fight it. Don't worry about that bell. Fight it.
Nah, son.
It might be that bell that got tangled at that tip. Hold it down, let me get that bell off.
Set the hook with another one on the board. Hey man, the women on fire today.
Yeah, I'm right in the truth. Good Lord.
Look like you got a tree shaker.
Help me, son.
Look like you got a tree shaker.
I can't see the line.
He tearing that real ass up. He on that. He can't get off.
Oh, bring your big ass here. Troy, there's a big one. Look at the water on this motherfucker.
It's down here.
Yeah,
I'm on that line.
Don't worry about that line. We'll figure it out.
Oh. He's a monster. He's a monster. Yes, sir.
They got a head on that motherfucker.
Dude, the rail almost came off.
It did?
This one almost came off.
But it ain't tight. It ain't locked in.
Oh yeah. That's the right size too, bub.
Woo, shit. Yes, sir. Big-headed blues.
This is gonna roll all in the dirt, huh, like a pig.
Yep. Yeah, he gonna oink when I pick him up.
Let's wait a minute before you do anything. Which way it's going? Pick him up this way. Pick him up. Yep.
Take a picture. Woo, he mad.
Don't worry about it. You be mad. I said when that hook get in there, it ain't coming off easy.
We'll try and say he hella mad. Did it come out? The hook come out?